de kokasu ana
Debi men kasa o kasa me rebe for party ase ai
etikasto chiase
ai
na me adma da be ni be hu no
enche
e say wako investigative TV
me mpa ya no midi gidie na kasa
e say wako kan team no
midi gidie na kasa o mesra mo
na poso because prophet seer evangelist ejuase owu yotiase ade obeba tiki wakoma tuyem the Society General Ines Fly Vodafone latest phone Agbeve Herbal Center na fe Feko Spring Start ona say yemfa na poso jumedie no emfa emro na fe yego the jama chena na moko
nyame adumo man
mikum na menti mi anko na no memende Chairman Jerry so mo compare
Chairman Jerry
mo compare crabio
oh
bushia phone na ya mamo yako argument
akasem
na mi adum say dey wo fire IGP so
yeah mahu
ani dey yohonu so
asonechi eza okura na sinim on say dey afire for ye no dey wani mu no one na ho de no kwantimi nti obi wo nachi ti da be obetwe no
I see
eti
yohonu ni IGP yohon even say buenu
James upon buenu
ye this year kro ana yohonu ni ebo na chidom sa
ebo ni chidom sa na tie ai amani fie mienu
ahafo this year upon buenu and then the Ghana nyina
IGP
ai iti bunu ni ahafo nyina no je say yen na Ghana
police adwuma kura ye ai no say oye doma manim
benchichim
sawahu
uchichima ebe ma mem ho akoka
ebe pesa wo hoka we bi akeka kono aswani ya ji be pesa be kira say wo sha danka ya sa edu sa mpempe so na congratulations uncle Nyankopon we show onye okese pa ma wo bre
enye ba kwa binti ase Tigo deputy or what IGP no responsibility there your no responsibility there
ono number 2
deputy IGP
okay number 2 oh yeah adwuma pa
that's how IGP ase EDB any ho abeti anamo bi any ho ana ya spell out the functions of a deputy IGP your no bet 8 ya mum prompt they say ono no there no go deputy IGP
oh pa chere say and so na make bi no oh pa chere say
say yohonu deputy IGP eti DCOP yohonu tete yohonu deputy IGP
yes
and your IGP and I'm supposed to say mu no the rules and responsibilities of a deputy IGP is it spelled out
IGP no on wo ho
dabi eno de kade edie pote pa na eri ahye won sasa we deputy IG obeye
o ma hene to da bia idea sharing kra hu hia adwena wo de beba
ezine wo pa bi
wo de beboa
de obe wo
hu hia
wo pa bi ama yohonu ahye mu aya atwas
na wa be deputy no minim se no how ba ku bi
ene de we
me kai se na anu yedi nkomo bi ma wo ka se obeche kronfo police na edu anadwo awo mo na wo na wowuro ma no akwache kronfo embra ne se wo chi kronfo afa ne court wo ne be court kronfo ne ba no okuta lawyers 12
kronfo ne ba no
lawyers 12
say human rights
police ni na ono kwa prosecution so onimu mra
me kan human rights we yi na ni cry security ni
Ghana human rights
eti ebe wi ase no wo bonsa nipa no watch no
right to cancel ese obi su timi ba na obegire mu ma no
eno wo ho bacteria meka no police ni no wo ba no onye lawyer eti ono kwa adu na wo kobo no
ontia se yi
ena nipa na wo ba no sukuta lawyers 12 tubos asem na foolish case
eti ese police force nyante
eti ade be che no nipa no akwache no de na court ne lawyers atwitwa age ne yagya no obeka akohia no kwantanan so
first eyi edi man yohonu ene opombo nu ene say enei mama police for ni ndiem ene sanyo man ene one kind
so there be a prosecution mu be pi wow you 3 day asem court yes asem ne kra no ya hwemu no kra na chese o man ni nyina so ni abato
responsibility eda eye opombo nu bunu Dominic say edi bunu the musician back enei Dominic see ebo tie bunu the whole Ghana nyina posi payin pa
o ka musician wanka police
musician wanka say posi payin kacha is CSC amanfa
kuma bushen na yeye kuma
nyame atemi na yo nyame atemi na jawum
acho
Debbie Oba could be all. I won't kai. Bani behu piano bano beka. Bani behu piano. Hey, also in the baby a crumb stand no.
And as I saw oh. There's a guru.
Guru Domani boy.
Then Coco or Hilibekisi. Or on Canam Catch of Kranza. So also a coney. And I'm saying, hey, when you're kissing your bets now, Kranzas are better now. And what you are from
pass it through.
Oh, you will be a casable by
now. Football is going to say Ghana in the Kragana. Footballers and Casa in the Kragana. Bonufo, and I'll pass Johnny the Obedman. Oh, my Menya Bununi. Menya Bununi. As when I make a Mubunufo, my bonum. O my old maker.
Near him that I want.
Oh, my own him.
That I want. Until you be by Crasso.
I know about you. And you may have boy. One more time.
One more time. Come much.
One father call much. And I knew we stand bay. It could be so nice.
Now, somehow, GMPC
now I know who fairy tales now. Princess no. A business no now princess.
As I buy him by Yasum no Kwazu.
Information minister.
Drums.
Look at first door better I'm gas about drums. Daily graphic wa ya mampani nana adudanko Akufo-Addo na wabie book we dey has a Bible by children na sense as a Bible sana wono na wone asofo somo St. Cyprian's Anglican Church e wokumase na wo mo a wo mo twa ne ho hia e Mr. Simon Osei-Mensah Asante Regional Minister na fe na Adwa Doku a board member Makoko board na wo mo ehia wo say CSE no when kasa no we no minya asa yarga manaka kire me no aka say no Mampani nana adodanko Akufo-Addo sisa de yekeka ka wogana ha se de bibia ba ya se ye friend comprehensive sexuality education CSE wase enya de a ono ni brei so ena obi ba be introduce e wo mayi ye hihye ya de kira de mu da enya ne bre so obi de ne musuo be ba wo so ayi ne ho firim empare no se wono ne bre so obeji atum se ampa me hwe aye nhwe ha amia ba be kira sa de no e wo man school mu ha enti wase Ghana fo awofo ne ahwefo mo amonye yam hihye say yes say the sexuality education ba yes what be fa sex education ho ne ya sha ase the human right e ka ho pe na chese ya no pese de ohushem turumuntufo no pese omudi omu wuram mampani say enokra na ababa na nya nokre wo ono ne brei so de enya de bebam enti so obi ati bibi sa ma agya na yam hihye a won kana no ntu na achinya bia na obi gi wo social media say ai wo mo si wo mpene so no ebi de wo mma school e wo UK ni US a sa de ne ya atum yesen ane US ni UK fo no nsusu bi wa ha yeso ye polygamy ye ware dodo wo munku yen sa na yeso ko entimi nku obi a enti Ghana yese yempa ne yempe eno e wo ha na uba gender hanom a e na wode aba sesei
agenda otiko ho
otiko be wo ho otiko be wo so omba power na omopam omna fofo sa oboko opposition na mfo no so chenje
na so ni opposition
that onu wo power opposition so we free wo power mu opposition
but so is we TV presenter
oye a series any full time oye series oboa the needy, the vulnerable and the poor in society
but the TV so
no, we said okay.
What's our man anyway?
Yes,
I said okay. I didn't want to show it to presenter.
Say you see Canada. And you know the fans will win. On the hosting.
Oh, I was also trouble me. Yo ena was say UNFPA wo de wo ho ba beboa o mayin ngumasua se de be ya bibia e fa braye menstruation ye be kire ama tonkwada no asum yiye se de be ya e babo wo ho ban free sexually transmitted infections ni bi wo ho anya se bia wanu obi na akwakoda wo hunu no ho so hwe eno nenam so ema e ba United Nations Population Fund UNFPA ena wo de
aba wo se woni Becker Heart Foundation for ya wo mo hye abayase wo mo ba beka bom amasa entete na mo ma entete ni wi ade hia pa ya bosomi bia pa dia akwada ne ba yusu no eno so ya na hu hia ade de nko onimo na enso so obekwa akotentomago e de akwa akohye ho nim se nkenye nye ne beboa no na enso so fa me koni ni ho a akwada ne de beba nti ye be stress ye dwe nkwada maiwa no ho a ye mfa eno so enka ho eno ene nsem a ene graphic wode amaye
ye mfa Ghanaian Times the Obokrata enfanto aso areho sem ekoso na watwe wi ye ne se kan kwanhye bi asi ama the Obokrata friends Ghanaian Times da beto monte se Ghana de hye maku nsia ene ho na wa home wankasa woto ananano monse do sege eho ena sa areho sem esiye na ensam no ne bua nankasa de kratafa to so dunso eho no watintim ede aba wo se nipa wafiri mu no ye de omo amu no ekobato Catholic Hospital a omo kwa akoye nhwemu ede afa ho na police fo twem wo se Mercedes Sprinter bus ne bi and registration number GC736412 ena ene car ba ku bi na Toyota Hiace ekodi from se ma ekofa aroho se mi ba ya sambra meka se yes nipa be se dunum de ba bi omodane mu odin pa ne mum nipa ne sia ne de ombetimi de omo sense omo bo aka so omato anana mo nse do na contractor fo aban de mo kan ne wo se ye munyi so ye aban se hwie be afene nkwa na wie ye enka November bosome no se October enti e be wura November be ko na wie ye ne de na ka wodem no hama bupan aduo wotwe 80% watua ede amama was a government to pay 80% debt owed contractors by end of November 2019 we o mampanyina be de che Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia ene ni wode nsemi aba abetom monten esebika we hu ne de Obokrata ye friends Ghanaian Times so de ba na arahosama ekoso na watwe wie ye emra ka bia na su sika yes sika ne won na 60.5 million Ghana cedis
ba se bia nyira ko mo so bia
fiada enwumre
fiada enwumre no
ya ne break ye
bia nyira
oh yes enso ne twi bi koye
ena ya na musini o won potem ho no one omanfo ni bidin komo nano memene da ebi koye
se me konsu ne jakofa de won
so ye sika ne people nya Canada for de ni bi unsa Canada sika ne roba
se chuaja amanfo dware nsuom
me na me ka kire o mbedware
wonim se anadwo na asem ni siye no anadwo ne yese amanfo bi agidi se sika ne bi akwa kogumrem wo mo de se kan kodo anadwo mu ni nyina ko pese
na nyo man we na se ika eye fango eko twahwe eko tihwe a sa ka no nipa eja ade atofom no nipa de bucket ne gallon ne yi ko so petrol o man no
enu bi na
ka ko to nsuo
enu bi na ko so fodo no obeka ya fodo wa de no
ade pa shika me ko kai
o man de menti ase ne say na sesika be hwiegu a asubonti mu na ko hwiegu
agaze go hwiegu market
na police was o mo risk no hey, police force wo mu kofie house to house. Iti eba na ebisa house scan unya bi nko ade afabra.
Na so de ko.
Yen kono nyante because top taste twena the police for.
Ebi mo se omunya 2000 Ghana. Ebi so omunya 1000 Ghana. Any ade police force. Debi police force wa more hint we bi ho no fabra wan Ghanaian Times the Obokrata na di we buy
ene na find the near and was a cabinet impodi kan eto sa CSE no to twene ye ne fe to so dun sia wode ni nyina ba sade o mai ba so badwakuo no wo mo ti sa CSE kinkan mu no wo mo yesi wo mo him to twene ye kra eno wa ha achechefo ma miensa ya yabo wo mo aba so se wo mo no mo yire wo mo ho ye adwuma eso ani pa cheche ni fun eni wi asisanse cheche ni bia adwuma na wo ye no
afi de mana yade o
mana yade pa na mom ye hwemu eni eyi bie etimom ya mo achechefo nyina aba so se o ma ye bi na me amete hei na obi so o kire amade atim se wa bre na me discuss yo me kai pa madam yo fa o se mari wo class 1 na me se me kwa class 2 no bi enti me fa mi table ko si class 2 a no ama ya fa de back class 1 o me de back class 1 na me de makonwa akọ ni edi eno esu ni nyina mu no madamenti ene ye nye baabi agina eti achechefo nyina ye ka hu bi ame ya bom abaso ema na munya abaso bono nso momfa eno enyina won kire sesa mo yire mo ho ambeko monim na mo nkonkoden sade ebe ya ebeboa ama enwumasua afa ne ntima pa fra ye tuba katafa etoso enwoche a the Obokrata no edi aba ema ni mfoni abaso ba ye de ma wo mo ni nyina ewo the finder the Obokrata no emu
Yemfa daily guide Obokrata na emfanto aso na Ghana mampanyina na Rodan Kwakufuado ni mfonyine da ha wa hye na African way kama color ni blue ina black ya bia biam te sese bongoma no na mampanyina asema waka ni etie was no gays in schools.
Wadarma, Yentisa Nkomo Winfrey or Prekopena for Samra, Era Samuel Doche, a former deputy presiding officer, African Union, ECOSOG, Assembly making, but also on Komobi, FA, sexuality education, no, home, Adjunche Kakra. Era, Samuel Doche, that's a Sawa Jibre, na Anopeyachi, Bibia Bocodie.
But
dear Edikai, my menu wadwen kyerɛ sɛ de yɛn mu dodoɔ na yɛnte aseɛ yɛ akosi no nso de adwenkyerɛ foforɔ bi ɛba na ofa pima wode akɔgyina so no ɛyɛ de ne yɛbɛgye atom baabi asɛ Maputo protocol no ɛhɔ na wode wokɔfɔ nkɔmmɔdie no afiri ɛde aba ɛde nsunsuanso ana saa protocol na woka ho asɛm ɛwɔ saa ɛyɛ sexuality education ɛho nsunsuanso.
Yeah, okay, me that was it. And I may find ways to so achia motive for nyina, me Ghana for nyina match. Let's go back a little bit to history. In 2003, and African heads of state and now Mushiemu war Mozambique Maputo. At the end of almost discussion, and Kobase, as I say, a man, almost reproductive rights, any sexual and health rights, no. They were at it, almost family, they are kicking, and I'm only at you say, okay, I say, almost the Rabi and Abibi, to protect them. In 2003, no. The African Union adopted what we call the Maputo Protocol to implement Africa Charter on Human and People's Rights and Rights of Women.
Okay, so the protocol, no, the protocol guarantees comprehensive rights to women, including the right to take part in the political process, to social and political equality with men, improve autonomy in their reproductive health decisions, and an end to female genital mutilation.
Very good.
Okay.
For protocols, say African Union, as I say, I say the signature, any ratification. What you have to say, also
okay. So ratification by 15 nations of the African Union and signatories near 49.
Yes.
Which Ghana is part of it.
It's Ghana. The position of the ratification instrument. 7 February 2007.
I see.
What am I here? Yes, I didn't know. Over Article 4, Article 13, and Article 6. Yes, a whole year started implementing the female genital mutilation. We take the inspiration from there. And Dosu, domestic violence at the year started and also we took the inspiration from that there. Yes, sir. And on the basis of that, review or amendment to the PNDC law 111. It didn't flow from there. I almost said, sir, women's rights need help as someone and not fall under Article 14 of the protocol. But OTA.
Métier.
State parties ratification shall ensure that the right to health of women, including sexual and reproductive health, is respected and promoted.
It's here.
14A, no, I say the right to control their fertility. And also, the right to decide whether to have children, the number of children, and the spacing of their children, and the right to choose any method of contraception. And also,
in effect, the protocol guarantees a comprehensive right to women. Is that correct?
Exactly.
What's the link between sexuality education and
somewhere along the line, there was a joint general recommendation. What must say? In that joint general recommendation, actually said obligation of states under institutional obligation regarding access to and uptake of health. The joint general comment averts that states should develop and implement CSE and information programs with age-appropriate information. Paragraph 36. That general comment now,
yeah.
And that states should include age-appropriate information and sex, sexuality, sexual and reproductive health rights, and sexually transmitted infections, including HIV/AIDS, and about what constitute consent to sex as distinct from consent to marriage, and any other information about gender, sexuality, and social norms. What am I saying? On the basis of that, as I may be saying, ratification, a protocol, a convention, or a treaty. Now, also okay, obligation, what for movie, and a view of now, as some may be saying, are we going to withdraw from the Maputo Protocol? Now, some I don't know, because normal Bebreu, even if you look at agriculture and food security. Annual budget, 10% of our GDP to agriculture. No, so can Maputo Protocol.
But clearly, you can also see there were some reservations at that summit. Various countries to express some reservations in some of the.
My minister was here. Say, who ratify protocol? No, say, protocol na convention. No man they know how. Omo di shema. Who to be jinasu? Na either say obey reservation and a declaration. But let me say, in the ratification process, they know instrument maybe. But when you further studies are made, they say 5 countries out of those who ratified the protocol or more ama sign reservation to the protocol. But in minimum there, the content of the reservation. In moving forward, I say yeah, bisa say our parliament on the 7th of February 2007. Time our year ratification, year reservation be ana declaration be ana say okay, ye be protocol no emu adie nyina na emu we dia edu so aye I say ye prekwa dia ye be fa so a ye be nya sa ratification instrument no then ye kind ye kinka na who say okay ya ratify Maputo Protocol no nemo we there ye to as a country say yeah no.
But the president has stated the position of Ghana on this sexuality education, rather, where he said the Tunisia, Sudan, Kenya, Namibia, and South Africa are reservations. No, the president has stated clearly it does not mean that SSC tree home free, sa Maputo share shame because President Kasa, Education Minister Kasa, on clause a tara say. Yebejin shishebia tum ene ya mamre ni entity enam ne kwaso. So clearly
very good. I make say Omapenya Kasa, Minister Kasa. But the Ameme can say sa ye ratification instrument. Yeah, share mu say yeah ratification. Yeah reservation be an declaration be so edu hania hadia. Yeah we if the affair na ye say okay ya na ye kan but ye boadia and yeah no problem but I will be very happy if you come to me you bet me parliament I bet to me a ratification instrument because what assembly ko parliament na mo ratification e ko cabinet ansana what did instrument na ko it say ye give a document na hu so
I see.
What are the issues that we have agreed on?
Yera Samuel Doche Emsen Komowe me here was studio na ye team ye biemu ye panet medin komba meda wase so also this angle etiaba Yera Samuel Doche former deputy presiding officer African Union ECOSOC ono susu say ye densa ko share Maputo share biase way back a year 2003 11th July and the densa ko share san share say we breaking it down kasafa sa nyoma ni I said ye kan ho ye bo hu de ye kase de bi ye pay ehun komo nyina ahyeho ti obucha se bra yetimi anya akukudura kasesa sexuality education no nipa bia adwene se man ma beda mema ne mema beda ye change oba ne bema na bema ne oba no saa de na mampanya ka no se enye yen ye hyebre no na nye ono na besoso saa ne ma wesu no enne saa Maputo protocol hye no ebo ebra enti eno no echese ye twen wan free saa hye mu ana se de ne pese ye kire enwa asem ana Yera Samuel Doche former deputy presiding officer African Union ECOSOC so they are church but come on here and then kwano pekra is different angles about to man but you better trust this
it's mamencha Lady Smart one elite ladies club USA me pacho debi we wo hodeda ai Lady Smart elite ladies club USA or company for no ho na wo say October 19th 8 p.m. to 2 a.m. wo mu yenhyiamu enti wo to nsafre adofo nyanti Lady Smart one elite ladies club am USA mema mu nyina hyen anope ai eni acha na sa wo di kan aka dabi obi be che obi a enye obi na eka ohun enti wo chia no
hey
metoto mamoni nsama num opombu wo fase ne me police adwuma de ne mra ne nam
okay so bedasi so was waiting by Jibra also odesa na poso na poso abre because na poso jumedi akosi Ines Fly for a pest free life Agbeve Herbal Hospital Feco Spray Starch look sharp and the latest from your partner for life Societe Generale SG Ghana the future is you Vodafone the future is exciting ready one and also I say my day you can say na poso jumedi no edi abro yeko na yetie nkratuo we aba ye bape na fabe wosu jumedi no emranimfo wono how kese pa na wono isuambra wona ojintete wo mrem no ene die na abenti wonso wono ye yechiro Ghana hanim se ye kwaba
I am TBS one corner direct.